Hello, CSC460-660. So today what we're going to do is just do a little tutorial on how to add ASP.NET to Visual Studio. Whenever you install Visual Studio, it doesn't come pre-installed on Visual Studio 2019, so you have to add those modules. So if you already have it installed, let me show you what we need to do. Let me get this box just a little bit smaller so you could see what's occurring. So here I will go to add or remove programs. You could just type in programs here and then add or remove programs will appear. You click that and you go to Visual Studio 2019. So what I do is I scroll down Visual Studio Professional 2019 and I click modify. Do not click on install because that will uninstall Visual Studio Professional 2019. You click modify and it says yes, it's a it's a verified publisher. So here your modifying Visual Studio 2019 will appear this screen, and then here it will show you what's already installed. So obviously you want to do .NET, you want to do web deploy, obviously get to this ASP.NET and web development tools. So you just click this on the .NET platform. Make sure you get .NET Core and whatever is necessary for ASP.NET. And we wanted .NET cross-platform development. For mobile, you will see these things. This is what I have. .NET Core. And those are the optionals for mobile. So make sure you add those. ASP.NET and web development. Make sure you have that installed. That's this right here. And then you could go to individual components and you could see what's there. Okay, and this is how you could add, remove components from Visual Studio. So I hope that helped. You could also do a Google search and do YouTube videos. They will show you more in depth of what needs to be done. So for example, I could go to YouTube and search for something like Visual Studio 2019 at ASP.NET MVC and .NET Core. So and then just and there said how to install ASP.NET in Visual Studio 2019.
Online marketing is a jungle. There are many paths. Still looking for
enterprise.
You can watch a video like this.
Okay, so enterprise.
It will,
Web application using ASP.NET Core and ASP.NET HTML JavaScript container, including Docker support.
So
this is essential. You need to select this checkbox.
So you should be able to see them there. If you have any further questions, don't hesitate to ask. Send me an email, kvon.charter@lsus.edu. You could call me at 318-453-8082. Have a great day, and we'll meet each other in class. Thank you.